We're making an easy but delicious cucumber salad. You don't need a mandoline to slice cucumber. Why risk your fingers? Even top chefs injure themselves with this thing. Just use a knife. We're using 3 Lebanese cucumbers. They're tasty and the seeds are tender, but you can also use a larger cucumber. Slice either as rounds or diagonally. It tastes the same either way. You can also slice all 3 at once. I like to do that. But be sure to slice thinly. Transfer to a bowl, add salt and mix, then let sit while you prepare the dressing. The salt helps release water from the cucumbers. Finally, slice the green part of the spring onion. Now slice a clove of garlic. Remove the sprout because it has a strong taste. Only use 1/4 of the clove. Chop it finely, or use a garlic mincer if you like. Peel a small chunk of ginger and grate it until you have about a teaspoon. Add the onion, garlic, and ginger to a deep bowl. Then add rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, maple syrup, and sesame seeds. The cucumbers have released lots of juice. Remove it so it doesn't dilute the marinade. We used a slotted spoon. You can strain if you like, whatever works for you. Add to the bowl with the dressing and mix. We almost forgot the lime. Don't leave it out, it's cucumber's best friend. If you find our video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It truly does help us. Now for the chili oil. It's optional, but if you like a little spice, add some. Taste a cucumber and add more salt if needed. A cucumber salad is the perfect snack or side dish. It's nourishing and tasty and so easy to make. We eat cucumbers every day, and so do our kids. Enjoy!